Ever tried to record outside and your audio sounds like a wind tunnel? Or maybe you're stuck in the studio, battling tangled cables and poor sound quality? I used to struggle with all of that, making my videos sound unprofessional, but then I found the Anchorwork M650 wireless microphone. It's so small it magnetically attaches right to your clothes. No more bulky equipment. The charging storage box keeps it ready, and it works with both phones and cameras. See this touchscreen on the receiver? It makes monitoring audio incredibly easy. Now my outdoor recordings are crystal clear even with a little breeze. And indoor shoots, perfect audio every time without the hassle. Seriously, if you create content, this is a game changer. Grab yours now.